Networking, you are told to do it but have no clue how? Don't worry, we got you covered. Welcome back to the Helping Channel. Networking is an essential skill for professionals, but let's be real, it can feel overwhelming at times. In this video, I'm spilling the beans on some tips to help you rock your networking game, even if you're not a pro yet. Alright, let's roll with these networking gems. Tip number 1, hunt down events that match your vibe and career dreams. First things first, you gotta find the right events. Seek out gatherings that align with your interests and career goals. It's where you'll meet like-minded folks who can help you soar. Tip number 2, leave an impression when meeting new people. When you meet new folks at networking events, make yourself memorable. Be confident, friendly, and make eye contact. State your name and what you do with a smile. Ask questions and show genuine interest in their stories. Tip number 3, keep the connections alive with a thoughtful follow-up. After the event, keep the networking fire burning. Send a thank you note, connect on social media, like LinkedIn, and drop them a line if you need help or have a question. Nurture those connections like they're little networking seedlings. Tip number 4, unlock the power of social media for networking. Embrace the magic of social media for networking success. Use relevant hashtags, join industry groups, follow your dream connections, share interesting content, and stay active and engaged. Tip number 5, overcome common networking challenges. Let's face it, networking can be a little nerve-wracking. If social anxiety or shyness is your foe, fear not. Practice your elevator pitch, visualize your success, take deep breaths, and focus on the other person. Don't hesitate to seek help when needed. You got this. So, there you have it, my awesome tips for networking like a pro. Give them a try, and remember, networking is a skill that blooms with practice. Don't fret if you don't see instant results. Keep at it, and soon you'll reap the awesome benefits of networking. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these tips, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. If you have any cool topics in mind, drop a comment, and let's make it happen. Stay connected, and I'll see you next time.